Hi, this is Galaxy S24 Plus and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings and tap the connections section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click here to this Wi-Fi switcher. Just after that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Select one from them and enter here the password. Then just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. So click to this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. And if you want to launch full Wi-Fi settings from here, hold this icon. Then just you could use one from the available networks from here, or also you could tap to details to launch full Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.